Take a deep breath and gently let it go. Welcome. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to try. Just allow yourself to listen. As your mind and body begin to drift naturally toward rest. Think of this moment as stepping into a warm, quiet sanctuary, a place where the outside world softens and the inner world becomes safe, calm, and healing. Tonight, you are not fixing yourself. You are allowing healing. Your subconscious already knows how to heal. It has been doing so quietly, patiently, your entire life. All you need to do is rest. Imagine now that your body is like a house at night. One by one, the lights are being turned off. Not because something is wrong, but because the house is ready to sleep. Bring your awareness to the top of your head and feel a gentle warmth spreading, like a soft blanket being laid over your scalp. That warmth moves down to your forehead, smoothing every thought, unwrinkling every concern. Your eyes become pleasantly heavy, as though they have been enough for today. Your jaw loosens. Your tongue rests. Your shoulders melt downward, like ice turning into water under the sun. With every exhale, your body sinks deeper into the bed, into support, into safety. Your chest rises and falls naturally, like gentle ocean waves that know exactly when to arrive and when to leave. Your hips relax, your thighs soften, your knees loosen, your calves unwind. Your feet grow warm and heavy. Your entire body now feels like it is being held by the night itself. Now imagine you are standing at the top of a beautiful stone staircase. The staircase leads down to a place of deep peace and subconscious healing. There are 10 steps. With each step down, your mind drifts deeper. Your body relaxes further. Your subconscious opens gently. 10. Stepping down. 9. Deeper still. 8. Drifting. 7. Calm and safe. 6. Halfway now. 5. Deeply relaxed. 4. Heavier, slower. 3. Almost there. 2. So peaceful. 1. Completely relaxed. At the bottom of the stairs is a quiet garden at night. Moonlight washes everything in silver. The air feels cool, clean, and healing. This is your subconscious healing garden. In the center of this garden is a still lake. The surface is smooth like glass. This lake represents your subconscious mind. Every emotion, every memory, every experience rests gently beneath the surface. And tonight, the lake is calm. Imagine now that anything heavy you have been carrying, stress, old pain, unfinished emotions, quiet worries, appear as small stones in your hand. You don't need to imagine them. You don't need to judge them. One by one, you gently drop them into the lake. And as each one sinks, it dissolves before reaching the bottom. Nothing is stored. Nothing is trapped. Your subconscious knows how to release. Now imagine a soft golden light rising from the lake, entering your body through your chest, spreading warmth through every cell. This light repairs. This light restores. This light teaches your subconscious how to feel safe again. If there has been emotional pain, the light soothes it. If there has been exhaustion, the light replenishes it. If there has been confusion, the light brings clarity, quietly, effortlessly. You don't have to remember everything. You don't have to understand everything. Your subconscious works best when you rest. Think of sleep now as a night shift. While your conscious mind sleeps, your subconscious clocks in. It files emotional paperwork. It repairs memory pathways. It rebalances hormones. It gently rests your nervous system. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is forced. Just like a skilled night watchman, your subconscious moves quietly, efficiently, and wisely. And you can trust it. Every breath you take now tells your body, I am safe. I can rest. Healing is happening. Now there is nothing more to do, nothing more to imagine. Just drift. If thoughts appear, let them float away, like clouds passing across the moon. Your breathing slows, your body grows heavier, your mind fades into soft darkness. Sleep now, deeply, peacefully, and as you sleep, your subconscious continues to heal, restore, and prepare you for a calm, balanced tomorrow. Sleep deeply, sleep safely, sleep well.